This video is going to teach you about the real-time collaboration feature in WeVideo. So this feature allows you to work on a video project with other people at the same time. It's a really cool feature. So the first thing we're going to do is go to WeVideo.com, and once you get there, you're going to click Google because we're going to sign in with Google. Select your email address, and then you're going to be signed in. Now here's the thing, only one person from the group is going to actually start the project. So they're going to start the project and basically invite others to join. So pretend I'm that person that's going to get this project started for my group. I'm going to click on projects, and then I'm going to click on that plus sign on the bottom right hand corner. I can also just click start creating. So here I'm going to create a new project, and we're going to give it a title. I'm just going to call it news, and then in the middle I'm going to click collaborative because this is going to be a collaborative project with others who are going to be working on it with me, and then click next. So next I'm going to add members to this project. So I'm going to click select members or groups and click next. And then I'm going to start adding the names of the people in my group. So on the top right hand corner it says search. I'm going to add the first person. So you can just type their name, click enter, and then search for their name in the list. Here I am. I'm going to click on the name, and then I would go up here and then click another name. So let me type, the last name is Mackie. All right, so I can see that I have 2 members selected, and that's, for this example, that's all I'm going to add. And then I would click next. All right, in this section where it says add media, you can just skip this and click next again. And now we are ready to go. So you're done creating the project. And now to create the actual video, I'm going to select create video. So that opens up the dashboard to create the video. And in a moment, I'm going to show you what it looks like when someone else is working on the project at the same time. So let's just go up here. I'm going to add a couple things. I'll add a text slide. This one, the polka dots. Okay, so I added the text slide, and then maybe I'll go over to stock media. I'm going to add a picture really quick. So I'm just going to grab this book since it's here. This little book video clip. All right, so then I'm going to stop here, and I want you to see what it looks like when another student is in this project with me. Okay, so just hold on one sec. So now I want to show you what it looks like when the other students in the group log into WeVideo to find that project that we just created. So I'm logged in as another student. I'm going to click on projects, the projects tab, and then I'm going to click shared with me on the left hand side. And then these are all the projects that someone has shared with me, and here's that one that the other student just made called news. So I would click on this, and then I can click on the video, and now it's opened up. Let's take a look at what it looks like when more than one person is in the project. So right now 2 people are in this video project. Here's how I could tell. So the other person that's in the project is this little picture right here, right next to the finish button. They're on another computer somewhere else working on it. And what's cool is that I can even tell what piece of the timeline or the project that they're working on. Look at their little picture. So they're clicked on this book video. I could see that because their picture is right there. And if they move off of that to another one, you'll see their picture jump to another piece of it. So you can kind of tell what everyone is working on. So now, let me show you what it looks like when the other person on another computer adds like another picture to this. Watch what happens. So I'm going to change this and make it a little smaller so you can see more of the screen. And on the other computer, I'm going to add another picture or a video. So let's see, how about I add this? Okay. So they just added another piece, and you can see it automatically shows you that they added something. So that is what it looks like. More than one person can work on this video project together. It's really cool. A couple things I want to remind you of. You're going to always want to save the project. Even though WeVideo periodically saves it automatically, a good idea is to go up to the left top corner, click on these three lines, and select Save or Save As, okay? And then that just makes you sure that you've saved the project and you won't lose anything. The other thing I'm going to remind you and suggest is that you change the name. So right now it's just called My Video. Click on My Video and you could rename it. So this is our news project. Okay, so I would just type something like that and click OK, and then you can see that it's renamed. So that is the basics of doing the collaboration in WeVideo.